This is what it looks like when love becomes practice instead of fantasy. Not perfect love, not always calm love, but love that returns. Love that says, we got activated and we're still here. And in that sense, healing is not about becoming someone new or becoming perfect or never getting activated. It is about becoming someone who can stay present when the old patterns arise. Here is the core truth. What my husband and I are learning, and what many of us are learning or could learn, is this. Secure love is not something you find. It is something you build through repeated repair. And repair is the real secure attachment. Not never breaking, but knowing how to come back. So here is a practice that is trauma-informed, non-shaming, and accessible. I want to offer you this simple practice that you can do alone or with a partner. And this is not about fixing yourself. It is about building nervous system safety through self-awareness.